Your girl is back with a new makeup tutorial, and this is giving me OG 2011, 2012, possibly 2013 makeup doll. If you know, you know. I definitely wanted to do color today. I'm doing turquoise on the lids, and I wanted to bring it around the bottom lash line as well. If you have been looking for a way to incorporate color into your look, but not look like a clown, still look polished, not like you're doing too much, if you're wearing like a turquoise dress or you just want like a pop of color, this is so good, so good. I did add a little gloss on my lip because I'm wearing a liquid lipstick and I've been wearing this for a few hours now. This beat lasts, y'all. When I wear my makeup, it lasts all day long. Like if you're going to a wedding and you need your face to be sitting all day, this is it. So I did want to go in with a gloss because whenever I wear liquid lipstick and I've been eating or drinking and stuff, it can start to look a little dry, and we don't want our lips to look dry, baby, especially not with a liquid lipstick. I am wearing the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie on top, a little new lip situation. I was feeling creative, I was feeling fun today, so keep watching if you want to see how I got this makeup look today.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, way.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls gon' follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things. things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping.
So I hope that y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you would like to see more makeup tutorials with color on my YouTube channel, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. You can leave any requests, like if you want me to do a specific smoky eye or colored look or whatever, leave me requests down below because that helps me to like stay creative and things. Thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. I truly appreciate all of your continued love and support. It means so much to me, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my latest video, baby, what you doing? Go ahead, click it right now, check it out.